Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Kalpesh with us from Eastman. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir, can you just let us know about Eastman, like how it came into the solar industry?
So if you talk about Eastman has a very strong legacy. So we are a parent company of JRS Eastman Group. So JRS Eastman Group started almost 5 decades back. They ventured into the power tools business, then cast and forge, wherein we were also manufacturing and doing the exports of cycles and bicycles. Then there is a thought which is coming almost 2 decades back, wherein we wanted to get into the auto and power industry. So we started our first stint into the e-rickshaw batteries. Currently, if I talk about the e-rickshaw, we are the market leader in e-rickshaw. And the thing is that we ventured with the lead acid batteries, lithium-ion batteries, and we thought, I think while this kind of technology is kind of evolving, and solar was very much into the growing stage at that point of time, and we thought, let's enter into the solar with this kind of a technology. We entered into the solar with lithium-ion batteries, lead acid batteries, which was earlier we doing for e-rickshaw, and we thought, while it has got a very good picked up the very attraction and intention, and we thought, why don't we get into the entire play of solar power? So what we entered into the power electronics, which talks about the grid tie inverters. Then we also entered into the off-grid inverters, and we completed the end-to-end value chain of entire the solar solution. So we call it ourselves as one-stop solution at this moment. So this is how from a e-rickshaw traditional lead acid battery manufacturer, and now a kind of end-to-end solar energy solution provider for rooftop solar segments.
The journey from e-rickshaw to the solar industry. So how you find the Indian solar market?
See, if I talk about the Indian solar market is very opportunistic. I would say what traction that we are getting into the e-rickshaw, traction that we got into the e-rickshaw, right now that kind of a traction. So we started growing our e-rickshaw battery business in the beginning with a very, very good growth rate. And currently we are having also the solar at a very good growth rate. For example, if I talk about some of the numbers, the solar business that we have grown is almost 4 to 5x in the last 3 to 4 years. So if you can see the solar market, which we started 4 years back, and now we have grown almost 4 to 5x, you can see the opportunities that are bringing up onto the table for solar market.
That's great. So if I talk about this REI 2025, so what are your product offerings? If you can just let us know in detail about that.
So, see, as I told you, we are positioning ourselves as one-stop solar rooftop solution player. So we are showcasing all the 3 kinds of technologies and setups. One is on-grid, wherein we talk about grid tie inverters. Off-grid, wherein we talk about off-grid inverters plus batteries, which are lead acid batteries, and hybrid setups, wherein we talk about hybrid inverters plus we have lithium-ion batteries also. And to support this entire portfolio, we have solar panels also. Now, if I talk about why we call it as a one-stop solar solution, because manufacturing is our core strength. We operate through 8 manufacturing facilities, which are corely manufacturing all these components, and majority of our focus is on localization and backward integration. So if you see this kind of grid tie inverters, so almost majority of the critical components are localized in-house in our factories. So we have 4 manufacturing dedicated for backward integration for this kind of inverters. So this is how we are driving this entire gamut of solar solutions, and of course showcasing at REI.
That's great. Thanks a lot for sharing the information with us. Thank you for being with us, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.